in River State. Honorable members, we all stepped into the hallowed chambers and discovered that it was burnt down. And information reaching us is that this was supervised from Government House of River State and Edison Ehie, majority leader of the River State House of Assembly, and his cohorts. This is really sad that at this point in time, when democracies all over the world are doing all that is necessary to engender peaceful coexistence of people in various nations, at a time when other states are making progress, trying to make life better for people of their states, sadly here, we see a situation where the legislature is being attacked and not allowed to perform. We cannot really understand why our own chambers will be burnt down because somebody does not want this arm of government to survive or to function. This is sad. This is a sad day for River State, and we know that security agencies will certainly do what is necessary to arrest all those who brought this bad news to River State. Edison Ehie and all those who sponsored him, who do not want this arm of government to do their job in line with the Constitution, should be held accountable for what they have done. But we remain undaunted. We will do what we need to do because we have been empowered by the Constitution. We have been empowered by the Constitution, and we will not relent. We will not shy away from our constitutional duties. We have been elected. Even if they like, let them burn down everything that is in this complex. We will still sit. Even if it means sitting on the ground or on the floor, we will do so because we have the mandate of our various constituencies to sit. This is really sad. And we hope that this kind of thing does not happen anywhere in this country or anywhere in the world again, where the legislature will be suffocated to the point of burning down where we sit to make laws for our people. Distinguished colleagues, that said, we'll have to proceed with today's business, and we will ensure that we do our best. The condition here, we are just trying to see how we can make best of this hall, which is not necessarily provided for our sitting, but we'll do our best. Thank you so much. Clerk, assistants, distinguished colleagues, you know, due to the circumstances, it has been difficult to get things properly set for today's plenary due to the burning down of the hallowed chamber. But we will see the best we can do to do our job in line with the standing orders of this House and the Constitution of the Federal Republic. As it stands, we will take the votes and proceedings for the previous sitting in the next sitting, since we were unable to reproduce that for us to adopt. So I'll call for a member to move that we should suspend the reading of the votes and proceedings until the next sitting, since it's not available, given the circumstances we have found ourselves. So, Honorable Zeropara, your hand is up.
The good people of Faga Constituency 3, I rise this morning to move that the votes and proceedings be suspended because of the incident. I so move.
Second.
Right, Honorable Speaker. My name is Enemi Alabo George. I represent Asari Tori Constituency 2. Mr. Speaker, I rise to second the motion as moved by my dear colleague, Honorable Azero Opara. I so second.
Distinguished colleagues, motion moved and seconded. The votes and proceedings will be read in the next sitting. Clerk, what
of the day. One, Edison Ehie as the House leader.
First item, we are all aware that the notice for the removal of Right Honorable Edison Ehie has already been distributed to members, and it has met with the 5 clear days requirements of the standing order. So, who is moving the motion? Deputy Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, respected colleagues, Right Honorable Dumle Mao, member representing Bukana State, and motion brought pursuant to Order 12 and Order 28 of our standing orders. Mr. Speaker, the said motion is a motion to remove the Majority Leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Edison Ehie. Mr. Speaker, the motion is signed by 24 members of this Honorable House, and they are 1. Honorable Major Jack, Honorable Adoke Toyin Smart, Honorable Yenche Prince, Honorable Enemi George, Honorable Granville Tekinari, Honorable Lolo Opuende, Honorable Igwe Afoji, Honorable Wami Solomon, Honorable Ofix Kabal, Honorable Silvanus Wankwo, Honorable Justina Emeji, Honorable Amadi Emilia, Honorable Barile Wanko, Honorable Arnold Davis, Honorable Chin C. Wankwo, Honorable John Dominic, Honorable Peter Abbey, Honorable Gerard Ofoji, Honorable Mba Bernard, Honorable Wabuchi Franklin, Honorable Nkendika Ezekwe, Right Honorable Dumle Mao, Honorable Aziru Opara, Honorable Ignatius Oginiba. Mr. Speaker, the reason for this motion is for inefficiency and ineffectiveness. Mr. Speaker, I so move. With your leave, Mr. Speaker, may I lay it at the table?
Please proceed to do. Any seconder? Seconder, Honorable Lolo Opuende.
Good morning, Mr. Speaker and distinguished colleagues. I remain Honorable Barrister Lolo Isaiah Opuende, member representing Akukutoro Constituency 2. I rise this morning to second the motion as being moved by the Deputy Speaker. I so second.
Distinguished colleagues, motion moved by Edison Ehie as the majority leader of this House should please indicate by raising their hands. Against? Abstention? Distinguished colleagues, by the voting, those that voted in favor Edison Ehie is now removed as the majority leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly in line with our standing orders. Clerk, what next do we have on the other paper?
Honorable Sokari, good boy Sokari, Honorable Adolphus Timothy, Honorable Victor Oko Jom.
Honorable Fiskaban.
Members, Right Honorable Edison Ehie, Ahoda East 2 constituency. Honorable Adolphus Timothy, Opopo Nkoro constituency. Honorable Oko Jombo, Boni constituency. Honorable Sokari Goodboy, Ahoda West constituency. Mr. Speaker, I move that they should be suspended. I so move.
Seconder.
The Right Honorable Speaker, distinguished colleagues, my name is Honorable Justina Emeji, member representing the good people of Emoha local government. I so support.
Distinguished colleagues, as has already been stated, these individuals and their actions will not be condoned by any responsible legislature. Indecorous behavior and actions that can bring any legislature to disrepute can never be condoned anywhere in the world. And these individuals have shown that they don't deserve to be part of the business of this assembly. By the motion that has been moved and seconded, I hereby put the question. Those in favor of the suspension of these 4 members of the House of Assembly indefinitely should indicate by raising their hands. Against? Against? Abstention? Those in favor, 23. Against, nil. Abstention, nil. By that result, Right Honorable Edison Ehie, Honorable Oko Jumbo, Honorable Good Boy Sukare, and Honorable Adolphus Urubeme, who represents Opobo, are hereby suspended in line with our standing orders indefinitely. Clerk, what next do we have in the order paper?
Siminalaye Fubara, GSS arrest, Governor of Rivers State.
Distinguished colleagues, I already have sent to the office of Mr. Speaker, in line with Section 188 of the 1999 Constitution as altered, a notice of impeachment on the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalaye Fubara, GSSRS. Let me now call one of the members who signed that impeachment notice to please present that notice at the table. It becomes a document of the House before we forward it to the Governor in line with the 1999 Constitution. Honorable Silvanus Wanko Omuma.
You write the Honorable Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. May it please you. My name is Silvanus Ehie. I represent the good people of Omuma State constituency. Mr. Speaker, I have in my hands a notice of impeachment brought pursuant to Section 188 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Acts of gross misconduct in the performance of the functions of the office of the Governor by His Excellency Sir Siminalaye Fubara, Governor of Rivers State. Mr. Speaker, the said notice of impeachment was signed by 24 members of this hallowed chamber. They are: 1. Honorable Major Jack. 2. Honorable Adokie Toye Smart. 3. Honorable Nieche Prince. Honorable Inemi Alabo George. Honorable Granville Tekina. Honorable Kwende Lolo Isaiah. Honorable Igwe Obe Ofoji. Honorable Wani Solomon. Honorable Ignition. Honorable Office Abang. Honorable John Dominic Derema. Honorable Silvanus Wankwo. Honorable Peter Abe. Honorable Chimezie Wankwo. Honorable Gerard Ofoji. Honorable Mbo Bernard. Honorable Arnold O. David. Honorable Justina Emeji. Honorable Amadi Emilia. Bere Wako, Honorable. Honorable Wabuchi Franklin Uchenna. Honorable Ezekwem Nkejika. Right Honorable Mao Dumle. Honorable Azurum Opara. Honorable Omuka Ignatius. The right Honorable Speaker, with your leave, may I lay the said notice of impeachment at the table.
You may proceed. Distinguished colleagues, in line with Section 188 of the 1999 Constitution amended, when a notice of impeachment is delivered to Mr. Speaker, that notice will have to be forwarded to the Governor as it was presented for his reply. On that note, Clerk, do forward this notice of impeachment to the Governor and ensure that he gets it and we allow the Constitution to take its course. What next do we have on the other paper, Clerk? Motion for adjournment. Deputy Speaker. Okay, Honorable Major Jack.
The right Honorable Speaker, remain Honorable Mr. Jack. I move that this House do adjourn Senegal and so be.
Second. Honorable
The Honorable Speaker, I rise to second the motion as moved by the Chief Whip of the House. I so second.
Distinguished colleagues, motion moved and seconded. The House hereby adjourned sine die, because as it stands now, our hollow chamber has been burnt down by enemies of democracy. We will walk around the clock to see how we can restore the building and see how we can proceed with our day-to-day activities as a legislature for our dear state. On that note, we can end for today. So the House is hereby adjourned sine die, and the new dates will definitely be communicated to all of you. Mr. Speaker shall rise.
Mr. Speaker.